Hello, hello.
안녕하세요.
안녕하세요. Hi, everyone.
Hello.
Hi. Lily, do you want to say hi to Blinks? Lily.
귀여워.
Hi, everyone. Hello, hello there. Fatty, fatty, fatty. You're my little fatty, fatty.
귀여워. 귀여워. 이건 아니야. 이것도 아니야. 이건 아니야. 이게 아니에요.
Why? What's wrong? What's wrong, baby?
근데 여기에 리오도 있어요. Say what? You want me to say hi? 귀여워. 리오 진짜 귀엽게 나와. 루카. 우리 그냥 조용히 있어. Hello. We were just bored.
Yeah, and just want to say hi.
Yeah.
So,
Hi.
hello, Blinks around the world.
Oh my god, look how she's 너무 귀여웠어, 방금.
Meow.
너무 귀여워. Leo 너무 귀여워.
Leo's so cute.
Oh my gosh.
Leo's so cute.
Why is Leo so cute? 귀여워. 뭐 하는 거야? 아, 귀여워. 너무 귀여워요.
Rosie, you're so warm.
Really?
So 따뜻해.
I'm warm.
What's the breed?
Mm.
Leo is Scottish Fold, and Louis is British short hair, and my Luca, Lily, it's ragdoll.
아, 딱 그렇게구나, 세 종류.
Yeah.
여기를 되게 좋아해, 이 코너를. 왜 놀랐어?
루카도 보여줘. 왕자님.
왕자님.
우리 왕자님. 우리 릴리 어딨지? 릴리 밥 먹고 있어요. Lily's eating her dinner. So we're just right there behind us.
Luca just came and sat with us.
Yeah, Leo.
Oh my god, I'm gonna sneeze soon. 1, 2,
Hit
3,
you,
4,
hit you,
5, 6. No, it's left me.
Choo.
It is about to come back and it's not coming out.
Okay.
It's like so quiet.
I know. Okay, let's read the comment.
Hi guys!
Any question? Miss you too.
Oh my god, I'm gonna yawn.
Why every time we do the live and you always 가끔해.
It's after work and then we're really, really tired. After a long day at work. How old is your cat?
So Leo's 2,
Only 2?
Lucas 2, Lily's 1, and Louis almost 1.
Oh my gosh, they're all like babies.
Yeah, they're such a baby. They're
귀여워.
Leo's still mama boy.
So cute. Look at what he's doing. 귀여워.
Hello, Leo.
뭐야, 리오 오늘 왜 이래 귀엽게?
어.
리오 오늘 왜 이렇게
리오
귀여워?
여기 앉을 거야. 앉을 거야.
귀여워. 어떡해. 저기 릴리 있다, 릴리.
릴리, 우리 공주님 안녕하세요. 우리 공주님.
귀여워.
우리 공주님.
어떡해? 우리 이따가 요리해 먹으려고요.
네. 재영이가 옛날에 연어 스테이크를 어머니 레시피로 만들어줬는데, so yeah, she's and I asked her like last week, like 다시 해달라고, and she's like, okay, and yeah, 드디어 오늘.
너 지금 한국말 여러 번 5번 왔다 갔다 했어.
And she's like, yeah, 드디어 오늘 해준다고 해서 I'm so excited.
야, 너
excited.
너 이제 진짜 제대로 콩글리시가 배웠어. 이제 완벽한 콩글리시야.
Yeah, I learned it from you, Rosie.
이제 나보다 심해질 것 같아. 리사 이렇게 하다 태국어 되게 잘 왔다 갔다 해요.
태국어. 요새 태국 드라마 재밌는 거 없어서 너무 아쉬워.
드라마? 요새 한국 드라마 재밌게 보고 있죠.
오늘 오늘이래. 요즘 부부에서 보고
맞아.
있는데. 지금 13화예요, 여러분. No spoil, please.
Oh wait.
Oh, okay. We're back. 공주님 인사 한 번만 할게. 이거 하고 있어.
너무 이뻐.
공주님 공주님 잡으러 가는 거 아니에요? 아니야.
귀여워. What makes you genuinely happy? I think eating really, really good food when you're really, really hungry makes me genuinely happy.
우리 공주님 잡았어요.
우리 공주님 잡았어요.
우리 공주님 잡았어요. 우리 공주님 왔어요.
우리 공주님 잡았어요.
Oh, princess is here.
진짜 예뻐. 릴리 진짜 예뻐.
Hello.
Oh my god.
Hi, sweetheart. Hey, sweetheart.
좋아해.
Oh, sweetheart. Oh, sweetheart.
너 진짜 좋아해 좀.
No, you don't want to be here. Let's say hi to Blaine before you go. Okay, say bye bye. Bye bye, Blaine. Bye bye. Good girl.
진짜 예뻐. Oh, Lisa, your hair looks like Cleopatra.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah.
Oh, cat's hair is everywhere. I'm hungry. I'm super hungry.
Look at Louis.
Oh, yes.
Sexy.
Yes. Oh, look, it's so cute. Give me a fly kiss.
I could like sleep right now like this.
No. Let's make some food.
Yeah.
Where's it?
Okay, we are very hungry.
You're super hungry.
So we are going to make some food
Yeah.
and eat it right now.
It's gonna be 연어 steak.
Today.
Yeah, with some kanjang
Mm-hmm.
sauce.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Can we bring Louie and then say goodbye?
Okay, yeah, Louie. My fatty boy. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Okay. Oh, I don't want to be here. I don't want to be here. It's okay. It's okay. Bye-bye. Ouch. Okay, guys. You're just quick hi and quick bye. Okay.
We love you guys. Thank you for another win today. And Leo literally just came to say goodbye. Leo was like, I need to say goodbye.
Oh. Okay. Yeah.
I hope everybody has a safe and happy night.
Sweet
And
night.
we love you all.
Yeah.
Bye. Bye, everyone.